Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about refrigerator organization. I'm also going to tackle the freezer, and I'm doing it in a way that's totally different than I normally do it. I'm actually going to be using containers and stuff like that. So I will go on and show y'all those, and then I will go on and get started. And these are all of the containers that I had gotten. I got those. I love those. And I have all of these. These are actually way smaller than I thought. But they're really little and too cute. So they're like little minis. And then I got these for the condiments. And as y'all can see, this is the fridge. It really needs it. Okay, y'all. So it is reveal time. All right. So much better. So I just have my daughter's milks and her little juices and stuff like that in here. Well, actually, this is her Pedialyte. And then her milks, and these are her juices. And then here I just have my coffee, my creamer. And in the back I just have my heavy cream and my milk. Yeah, the rest of the milk. So, and here I just have cheese and extra stuff. And then I love these little containers right here. So I just put our cheese in there too, our shredded cheese. And then this one is kind of like little Lunchables and breakfast combos. And then at the very bottom, we just have water and extra drinks. And the drawers are pretty much really empty. I just have like extra stuff in this drawer right here. And then here I just have like my bagels. Here's just standard. I kept my eggs where they were. I don't really have anything in that one. And then I just have my condiments. And I just have my sparkling waters down there. That is pretty much it for the freezer. Well, for the fridge. I'm sorry, fridge. And I do like to keep butter there. But I love it. It looks so much better and organized. And then for the freezer. So much better. I love these for eyes. Love them. Well, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.